Over the next few minutes, you'll discover the 7-step business plan blueprint, and pitfalls to avoid by not having a business plan. Having a business plan can have a ton of benefits. It can be a guidance and an important assistant for anyone who starts or runs a business. However, what I have found is that the reason most people don't have a business plan is not because they don't want to have it. It's just because they don't know where to start, and they don't have time to do it all by themselves. So in this video, I'll walk you through the 7 steps that you can use as a checklist to create a proper business plan. I'll walk you through the exact steps and information you'll need, as well as how you could avoid the pitfalls. So you can put it all together, and you'll have a proper business plan before you know it. Business plans may consume some time to make, but in the long term, you may save much time and cash flow. You may need a business plan to apply for bank loans or getting investors for financial support. Here are the 7 steps on how to create a business plan. Step 1. Create a vision. Before you get lost in details, start out with a vision or a mission statement. A mission statement should include values and a future view of your business. Step 2. Make an executive summary. An executive summary summarizes the whole business plan. An executive summary is necessary. It is important to gain the interest of the viewers to continue looking at your whole business plan. Step 3. Include a description of your targeted market and services. This is essential to allow viewers to get a clear picture of what you are trying to sell or service. State it clearly in your business plan. Step 4. Include an analysis of the business environment and background. Do not expect viewers to understand what you are dealing with, even if your business is not a new idea. You may also review it any time in the future for further adjustments. Step 5. Include a marketing and operation plan. Say it in the report how you will run your business. Include every detail of it. Be clear and make sure your reports are easy to view. Step 6. Analyze your business competition. Find out all the detailed information you can get from direct or indirect competitors. Read about them from business magazines, newspapers, or get resources from trading associations. Understanding competition is crucial to making a perfect business plan. Step 7. Finance planning. There is no business without involving finance. Be sure of your business financial status, and make clear reports about it. Justify your figures, because a slight mistake may ruin your business plan, or your reputation in front of the viewers. Exploring financial needs. Finance is important to set up a new business, or to upgrade business standards. One way to explore financial needs for business is through financial planning in a business plan. Financial planning helps managing expenses, controls spending and maximizes savings for an optimum budget in a business. Without a proper business plan, you could run into difficulties. A business plan is important to keep you on track with your initial goals for the business. Here are some pitfalls by not having a business plan. 1. You do not have a clear path. Without a proper business plan, you may run your business as it goes, but you may soon find out you have run off track. You will forget your initial business goals and then do something new or have very different goals. 2. You may miss an opportunity. Investors or banks for business financial support or loans mostly require a business plan. If you do not have a proper business plan, you will not gain the viewer's interest to invest or provide loans for your business. 3. You may fail to prevent a failure. With less information, you may neglect a part of which contributes to the great success of your business. When failure is approaching, reviewing an improper business plan will not help you to cope well with it. It is because you are not able to adjust to the situation as soon as possible. 4. You do not have an ability to foresee the future. Practically, business plans help you to start up a business. The plan will have predictions of what future benefits your business activities may bring. If you do not have a proper business plan, you would probably not have a habit to think of the business in the long term. The plan can help you monitor the impact of your activities in the long-term viability of your business instead of just focusing on short-term results. 5. Your business will experience slow growth. People think having a business plan may restrict them from thinking outside the box or having freedom to do as they like. However, without a business plan, how would you know your potential of bringing greater success to your business? To summarize, a business plan includes an executive summary, a mission statement, business description, environment analysis and background, financial plan, competition and market analysis, operation plan and any other supplementary information. Without a proper business plan, you could find your business struggling or even failing. Do you need a business plan to raise capital? Perhaps, do you want to grow revenue? Or maybe you want to drive your staff's key performance indicators and monthly accountability meetings more effectively? Our done-for-you business planning service offering includes generating reports ready for submission to any bank or investor. You can use it to set up staff's key performance indicators. You can also use it to communicate with your staff and help bring them on board to achieve your business plan objectives. Click on the link in the show notes to download the free Business Plan Essential Guide with the free Business Plan Checklist template. To find out how we could help you, reach out to us today for a no-obligation free consultation. Click on the Contact Us link in the description to book a time. Disclaimer: the content in this video is not intended for use as a source of legal, business, accounting or financial advice. All viewers are advised to seek services of competent professionals in legal, business, accounting and finance fields. If you like this video, share the love by giving it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to receive more like it in the future. Thanks for watching.